Alright, let's start by developing our next website. So to get that done, we need to register with a host, actually an hosting service. So go to www.webhost.com. So this is an hosting service or a hosting platform. So when we say hosting, really what do we mean by hosting? When a hosting provider allocates space on a web server for a website to store its files, then they are hosting a website. So what I mean is, web hosting or a web hosting refers to a company that rent out their computer. In a sense, they are renting out their computer or servers for you to store your website. As example, now let me put it this way: a domain is like your address, the address of your house, whereby a web host is your house itself, like rooms in your house. So when you have a domain like www.temitope.com, that is your domain, then all the files on your website, you need to put them somewhere. So the place where you put them is called web hosting. So for us to develop our next website, we need to register with this web hosting server. It is a free web hosting service, although you can also pay as the case may be. Let's get started with them as we move and continue as the case may be. So sign up for a free website. Enter your email, data, WordPress, ski. The password you will like to use. Alright, so when you get here, you will see we have sent a confirmation email. So go to your email, refresh. Okay, yeah, so it's already here on the email. Just click to verify. Yeah, and here we go. Get started. Now just answer this as the case may be. select this and let's go. So what name will you like to give your project? Website name, let me see, WordPress skill. I love to change this, better at WordPress 1. And submit. Oh, so now when you get here, come to install WordPress. Install WordPress. Password. Better at WordPress 1. Then install. Login. So come to manage your site. Then you will come again here to install website again proper. Alright, you have successfully installed WordPress. So you wait for some time before we come to configuration of our page, as the case may be. So we stop for here.